So here we have polynomial division. So we're going to label our numerator and our denominator within our polynomial division. So our numerator is x squared plus 6x plus 8, and our denominator is x plus 2. This will be helpful when moving forward within our polynomial division. So we are going to use the bus up method to help us understand our division better. So the example I'll use is 8 divided by 4. So the 4 will go on the outside of the bus stop and the 8 will go on the inside. And 4 goes to 8 2 times, so 2 will be on the top of the bus stop. So let's continue with the idea that the denominator goes on the outside of the bus stop. So x plus 2 will be on the outside of the bus stop, and x squared plus 6x plus 8 will be on the inside of the bus stop. So our next step is to do x squared divided by x, as that will get our first variable for us to put on top of the bus stop. So now I'm doing x squared divided by x, which will give us x. And this will be our first variable that will be put onto the top of our bus stop. So our next step is to multiply x by x plus 2. So x times x gives us x squared, and x times 2 gives us 2x. So our next step is to minus x squared plus 2x from x squared plus 6x. So now I'm just going to separate it from plus 8 because we're not using that just yet. And we're going to write out the answer for x squared plus 6x minus x squared plus 2x. So x squared minus x squared gives us 0x squared, and 6x minus 2x gives us plus 4x. So now we need to bring down the plus 8 and bring it by our plus 4x to move forward with this division. So now I've decided to rewrite the rules we used to get this far within our calculations. So the first rule is to divide. Our second rule is to multiply. And our third rule is to subtract. So we're going to now use 4x divided by x, which gives us 4. And now the top of our bus stop is going to be x plus 4. And that is the divide rule used. And then the next rule is to multiply. So we're going to multiply 4 by x plus 2. This gives us 4x plus 8. And that's the multiplication rule used. So we're now going to do 4x plus 8 minus 4x plus 8. So 4x minus 4x gives us 0x, and 8 minus 8 gives us 0. So x squared plus 6x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 equals x plus 4, because there's no remainder at the end of this division. So we can now write x squared plus 6x plus 8 as x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 2. This also means that x squared plus 6x plus 8 has the roots of x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 4. So this is this tutorial done, and thanks for watching.